हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। पढ़िए विद प्राची में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम कंटिन्यू करने जा रहे हैं सर्कल्स के साथ।
So let's begin day 2 of circles. We learned in last class's concept that a circle, any line can intersect a circle either at 2 points, then it's known as secant, or at 1 point, which is known as tangent. And tangent is a special case of secant where it is the two end point of a corresponding chord coincide, right? And tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, right? And this is the perpendicular one, theorem 1 that we studied. At any given point on the circle, there is only one tangent. Okay. Then we also learned the number of tangents from a point on a circle, which is this. From an external point, there can be only 2 tangents, and these tangents, the lengths are equal. That is the second theorem that we studied. Now we are going to move on to the questions, which are exercise 10.2, question number 2. Just ignore the sounds which are coming from the background. So let's look at the question. It says that there is an external point T, obviously, where TP and TQ are two tangents to the circle with center O, such that angle POQ is 110. What will be angle PTQ? We know by theorem 1 that the tangent intersect at the point of contact, because P and Q are the point of contacts, at 90 degrees. So we know that this is 90 degrees. We know that the angles, sum of angles of a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral PTQO, all the angles sum is 360. So angle POQ plus angle PTQ plus 90 plus 90, which is 180, is equal to 360. So angle POQ we know is this thing, right? 110. So angle PTQ is 70, and that's the answer. Let's move on to question number 8. Here we have been given that a circle is a quadrilateral circumscribes a circle, okay, and we have to prove this. Opposite sides ka sum is equal. If you just, I'm not going to state how I'm doing this. I'm just going to give you the method. Net circumscribe means this, right? It's like they're touching at 1 point on each side, right? So we can, when we add AB and CD, we can see that there is one color, one of each of the colors, right? Orange, pink, green, and yellow, and similarly for the opposite sides also. So basically, using the theorem 2, we can prove this. Hope you understood how to do this question. Moving on to the next question. Here what is given is that there are two tangents, xy, x dash, y dash, which are parallel to each other, right? And they intersect at P and Q respectively. And angle AOB equal to 90 is what we have to prove. There is a point A from first tangent, and there is a tangent drawn from this to the circle again and intersects at point B. So we have to say that this is 90 degree, to prove that this is 90. First, we are going to just look at this, right? So this is equal to R is equal to R. This is R, right? Okay, so what we'll consider first is we'll consider the triangle POA and triangle OCA. Okay, so in POA, PO is equal to OC, radius, OA is equal to OA, common, and PA is equal to AC, tangent. So hence these two triangles are congruent. So that means this angle and this angle is equal. This angle POA is equal to angle POC. That is one part. By this similar method, we can take these two triangles and we can get that COB is equal to BOQ. Same. This is congruent, right? That's what we proved, SSS. Similarly, we can prove these two triangles are also congruent. Now let's look at this. Here, this is equal to 180, sum of all the four angles. This angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle. So this and this angle are equal and this angle are equal. So net it is iska twice. So 2 and twice of angle AOB is equal to 180. So AOB is equal to 90. Hence proved. Now let us look at this question. I'm not sure whether you guys have already studied area of a triangle is equal to S minus B, S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter and S is A plus B plus C by 2 and A, B, C are the three sides. So this is one of the properties that area of a triangle. So in this question, what we'll do is, so these are net, the question number 12 says that this triangle is circumscribing this circle. That means all these form tangents, right? So if this is tangent, this is also 6, this is 6, this is 8, this is 8, and let us consider this as x. So what is side AB? X plus 8, and side AC is x plus 6. We need to find these two sides. So first we'll do is, we will join these points. We'll join the center of the circle to the sides, the vertices of the triangle. Okay, so we have these three triangles. We already know that this is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Okay, so first, it's a very, let me just tell you what is the thought process that is behind my mind. One is that we find the area of the triangle by just using this formula. We know that all the three sides, right? BC is 14, 8 plus 6. We know all the three sides. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So we know we can find out S and we can find out area of the triangles in terms of X. Similarly, we can find out the area of these three triangles. One is this, one is this, and one is this. So triangle AOC plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOB will be equal to area of triangle ABC. So इन तीनों का तो बहुत ही simple है, half base into height. Height is radius in all the cases. Do we know the radius in this example? I think we do, right? We know that the radius is 4 centimeters. So I think conceptually you understood, right, what I'm trying to say. You will be able to find out by this concept. I'm just telling you the concept now. इससे आपका दो आ जाएंगे. So you can solve for x. So let me know you solve this. First, let me know whether you know this already or not. if you don't know, if this is not something which has been taught to you in 9th class, 8th class, or whenever, so let me know that first. If you know already, then solve this, find the area by this method, find the area by this method, equate, solve for x, and let me know that you're able to solve for this. If you're not able to solve for by this method, like you've never learned this, and this is probably something which is going to be taught to you in class, and I'm just mentioning CBSE right now. So if this is going to be taught to you in class 11th or 12th, this is new to you, then let me know, because then I'll try to figure out if there is any other way to solve this problem. What I'll also do is I'll also check at my side, at my end, if this formula is already known to you. Okay. But you let me know if you know it and you're able to solve this question. I have told you the methodology of this question. Similarly, this is a very simple one, the next question. The question is that prove the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle, subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. What does it mean? That this plus this is 180 and this plus this is 180. That is what they want to say. So first we are going to, so if you just look at this, right? ऐसे कर लेते हैं इसको पी क्यू आर एस लिख देते हैं. So these are tangents, right? AS and AP. Similarly, PB and PQ. So if we join this, we know this is all equal, right? हमने ये सब congruent and everything we had proven. So net. So this angle and this angle is equal, and let's denote it by 1. This angle equal, denoted by 2. This angle and this angle denoted by 3, and this angle denoted by 4. So if you look at this, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, twice of this is 360, because sum of angles of a quadrilateral is this thing. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. Right? If you look at this angle, so the question that we have to prove is that angle AOB plus angle COD is 180. This is what we have to prove. So what is AOB? AOB is 180 minus angle 1 plus angle 2. What is COD? 180 minus angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay. एक 180 यहाँ से चला गया. प्रूव हो गया ना आपका यहीं पर ही, क्योंकि आपका एंगल AOB प्लस एंगल COD है ही एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 4. Let's again write this. What is angle AOB? If we add these two together, and what is all of this from here? 180. Hence proved. So hopefully you understood these questions that I've taught today, and I have left some of the examples and questions from this chapter. If you want, I can cover it separately again in a separate video, or we can go through it through the live sessions. And let me know, what do you think? Were you able to understand the concepts? Were it a little difficult? Do you want me to solve more questions? Give me the questions, give me the feedback, right?
होपफुली आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आए हों जो मैंने आज सिखाया. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज, comments, constructive criticism, feedback, doubts, put them in the comments below or put them on any of my social media handles, and I can take them up during the live session or make another video. Till then, Seekhiye with Prachi, Jaaniye with Prachi, and of course, Padhiye with Prachi. And of course, the last but not the very least, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.